Night. I'm walking on a highway alone. The flashlight is struggling to keep lighting the road. There is no point in it anyway. I can't open my eyes with this blizzard. Why did I even believe her? 1 a.m. Old shack by the lake. Just you and me. Let's get naughty. Stupid Mandy! The entire school will know by tomorrow. I will become a laughingstock. Shit. A noise of an engine is heard through the blizzard. An old Chevrolet parks beside me. Driver offers to give me a lift to my house. He's going to Greenwood anyway. It'd take at least an hour to get there on foot. I'll have to take a ride. Besides, I know him. I've seen him in the hospital. He's working there. Whoa, inside the car, I think I can feel my toes again. Turns out that I'm terribly cold. The driver, who called himself Frank, has offered me some tea. It has a strange smell. So I asked him if there was some other kind of brew in the thermos. We laughed. Frank seems to be a nice guy, even though he asks me questions with the rate of a machine gun. The trees flash by. My eyes can't follow the wipers. My tongue feels like cotton. I feel sick. And then I pass out. Shit, I feel so dizzy. Where am I? It looks like a basement. Is it a cage? Am I in a cage? I need to call for help. No. Shut up, you idiot. Not a sound. I need to find a way out of here. Okay, think. I need to put everything back where I took it. Shit. He's coming here. Hope he hasn't noticed that I left. I hope he hasn't noticed.
It's time to check the basement. Well, wait a second. Something is wrong here. Okay, everything seems to be in place.
Oh, it worked! It was loud.
What is going on there?
We need to block the door.
I got you. You think this will help? What else? A little.
Run and don't look back.